ALIGARH Muslim University Alumni Association of Manipur AMU-AAM na Sinduna University Asibu Lingkhatlamba Syed Ahmed bu Ningshingba Oina Chahi KHUDINGGI LEPTANA PANGTHOKTUNA LAKPAGUM THOUBAL MOIJING Community Hall DASU ngasi Sar Syed Day gi THOURAM PANGTHOKKHRE Reconnect, Reminisce and Rejoice haiba hiramda masak naiba mioi kayana President Member Oina Saruk yaduna pangthokpa thoram adugi nungi oiba warwol pibada association asigi Information and Publicity Secretary Alhaj Muhammad Nasir Ahmed Nahai Education yaunga tongan mahiram kayada mangjil thana thabak toramba Sar Syed Ahmed Khan gi wakalon miyamna tamjaningai oi mahakpu ningsingba loinana education gi lamda hena chawkhatnabagi wakalonda Alumni Association asina thoramasi pangthokpani mahitamba University tangai fadana tawdaba yadraba thodang amani Islamic education ga loinana general education chipunna chatminaba mathau tai maramasina association asina paikhalakpa thabak thoram singda miyamna support tawbiyu haiki Association asigi President MD Bariya Judin Sahana Fongdor Kibada Asigumba University asida mahi tamnabagi entrance test tawbagi center ama leiba amadi tungi mirol orakadoriba mahiroi singbu amadi alumni asibu lamjing lamtak pinaba counseling center ama hangdokpa mathau tai maram asina aikhoi khudingmakna amato oina thodang lominasi haiki Dr. Hamidur Rahman na exploring the demographic profile of the Maitai Pangal community in Manipur haiba hiramda retired IAS Alhaj AR Khana Alumni as Catalyst for Social and Economic Transformation haiba hiramda Alhaj MD Nasiruddin Sahana Reviving the Spirit of ALIGARH Lessons for Today's Generation haiba hiramda Dr. Savina Husaina Walking the Tightrope Educated Women Navigating Professional Success and Family Duties haiba hiramda Alhaj Abdul Khalikna Preserving Identity while Embracing Modernity haiba hiramda wangangki Thoramadugi manungchana pangal survey haina mingthonba socio-economic survey mobile app ama launch tauki collective responsibility alumni community and the future of Manipur haiba hiramda round table ama famduna khananai ki thoramadugi sarukama oina university asidagi mahaigi mangal fanglaklaga chatliba chahi asida government service panglaklaba amadi PhD award fanglaklaba mioi singda momento piduna ikai khumnabasu utki